Yawn? Yes!
What if I could pull a prank around the world? Almost like a magic trick. A prank so sneaky, nobody knows it's even happened. This is something we all do every day. But today, I'm gonna make you do it with the power of a yawn.
وهي بقول سودا ده تزعلي
Yo, what's up with the yawning, man? You said 15 minutes you've been coming through here like this, back and forth with this yawning.
Johnny,
hand over your mouth.
Tired, man. I'm tired.
You should go home and sleep, bro. What are you doing?
I should go home and
You
sleep.
should go home and get some rest or something, man. But you
Spreading germs all over the place,
over the
man. What's
place.
good, man?
All right,
Go on someplace else and go take that yawn someplace else.
No.